United States Grand Jury, District of Maine, in respect to Raymond Carter et al. Testimony of Michael Cunniff, given before the United States Grand Jury, District of Maine at the United States District Courthouse, Bangor, Maine, on January 15, 1986. Appearances by J. McCloskey, Esquire, and Corinne L. Keene, Grand Jury Report. Michael Cunniff, a witness being first duly sworn, was examined and testified as follows by Mr. McCloskey. Mr. Cunniff, how are you employed? I'm a special agent with the United States Drug Enforcement Administration. And how long have you been employed as a drug agent? It will be 14 years in this spring. Directing your attention to May of 1981, did you have occasion to investigate a hashish offload occurring in the area of Dutch Neck, Walboro, Maine, 1981? Yes, I did. In connection with that investigation, I believe you testified previously to the grand jury about that investigation. Is that right? Yes, I did, in the last session. And during that testimony, you indicated you went down to the scene and interviewed various people during that time. Yes, I did. And that time frame was May of 1981, correct? 1981, yes. And not May of 1985. That's correct. Now, further, in connection with that investigation, did you have an opportunity to investigate the involvement of an individual by the name of John the Panther? Yes. Who was he? John the Panther is a person who's responsible for organizing the hash shipment and was the person who contacted with a number of people in Maine who actually imported the hashish. Have you further identified him by name as opposed to a nickname of John the Panther? Yes. And what is the name that you've identified? John Dickinson. From whom did you receive that information? Actually, it was determined through several means. One is the investigation, according to at least one of the witnesses in this case, a person who you will hear from later, that said that John Dickinson was arrested on Long Island during the pendency of, following the importation of hashish, during the pendency of the hashish distribution. By determining the person whose nickname is Panther, a man named John Dickinson, and then the transportation away from the offloading site. When you interviewed Grigg, did he ask for a description of the individual he knew by the name of John the Panther? This morning I did, yes. What did he tell you his description? After I showed him the photo spread, I asked him whether he recalled dealing with a person named John the Panther. He said he did. I asked him to describe him. He said the Panther had bushy, dark hair, was clean-shaven, but had a heavy beard and a whitish complexion, whiter than normal. Now, this photo spread that you put together, where did you get the pictures of John the Panther? It was taken following his arrest in, I believe, was in 1981 on Long Island. Grand Jury Exhibit 3 was marked for identification. McCloskey. I show you what's been marked for identification as Government Exhibit 3 and ask you if this is the photo spread that you showed Timothy Grigg. Yes, it is. And was he able to identify from the photo spread the individual John the Panther or Dickinson? No, he was not. Now, in that particular photo spread, what picture is that of, in fact, John Dickinson? Photo number 7. It depicts Dickinson with a beard and mustache. So at least at the time of the taking of this picture, Mr. Dickinson had a beard? Yes, and a mustache. And a mustache? Have you shown this photo spread to anyone else? No, I have not. No other witness. Presently? Right. Do any of the grand jury members have any questions of Agent Cunniff? If not, thank you very much. The witness was excused. Certificate. I hereby certify that the foregoing 6 pages is a true and correct transcript of my stenographic notes of the testimony of Michael Cunniff taken on January 15, 1986 in the matter of Raymond Carter et al. Signed, Corinne L. Keene, Grand Jury Reporter.